Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the door seal on a Zanussi washing machine. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your appliance is completely disconnected from the mains power supply and the water inlet. This prevents any electrical shocks or unexpected water leaks during the repair. Taking these crucial first steps will make the entire process much safer and smoother for you. Let's get started. Now, let's tackle removing the old, worn-out door seal. First, carefully locate and remove the retaining band or spring that holds the seal in place around the door opening. You might need a flathead screwdriver for this. Once that's off, gently peel the seal away from the outer drum and the door frame. Be mindful of any residual water that might be trapped inside. A small towel can be handy here to catch any drips. With the old seal removed, it's time to install your brand new one. Start by carefully fitting the inner lip of the new seal around the washing machine's drum. Ensure it's seated correctly and evenly all the way around. Next, stretch the outer lip of the seal over the door frame. A little soapy water or a small amount of silicone lubricant can help it slide into place more easily. Take your time to ensure a snug fit. Finally, let's secure everything and test your work. Reattach the retaining band or spring, making sure it's firmly in place around the new seal. Double-check that the seal is properly seated and there are no gaps. Now, you can safely reconnect your washing machine to the power supply and water inlet. Run a short, empty wash cycle on a low temperature setting to check for any leaks. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your door seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.